What is color grading actually? Well, let's say, what is cinematic color grading? This is the process of enhancing and altering the color of the footage in order to achieve a desired visual effect. So this is the information that everyone is supposed to know. Now right here, my dear friend, I've made this into 3 simple, very important questions that you have to answer yourself so that you can be able to understand the whole concept. The very first question right here is, what's wrong? Well, to be a very good color grading artist, you must be someone who is able to say, identify the problem, what's wrong with any piece of footage that you can come across. If you see this one right here, what do you think is wrong on this image? So that is the very reason why the first question is saying, what's wrong? You must be able to identify the problem before you try to fix it, okay? And once you've made it to identify the problem in that footage, then you can make your way to the very first stage of the process, which is the color correction, and make the scene look as real as our eyes experience scenes in real life. What is the purpose? What is actually the purpose of that piece of footage? What feelings, what picture, what do you want to portray? How do you want your audience to feel when they're watching this piece of footage? This is the question you need to address on the secondary. And once you know what you want at this stage, do you want your audience to feel happy? Are you trying to convey happy emotions? Are you trying to convey the frightening moments? Once you make it to answer this second question right here, you have done into the very second stage and make it have a certain psychological impact on your audience. And now the third question right here is, which are the specific areas that need more attention? And once that is done again, you then apply your third stage of color grading, which is the secondary color grade.